Welcome to our journey through extremes. Today, we're going to guide you through some of the toughest environments on planet Earth. In our video, the top 10 cities with the most extreme weather in the world, we'll explore frigid wastelands, searing deserts, cities battered by tornadoes, rain-drenched metropolises, and more. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. 1. Verkhoyansk, Russia. The frigid wilderness tucked deep within Siberia, Verkhoyansk is a city that personifies the true meaning of cold. During its long winters, the mercury routinely falls to bone-chilling levels, often reaching below 40 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It holds the title for one of the coldest places on Earth with a jaw-dropping record low of 67.7 degrees Celsius, 89.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Such temperatures make everyday life a test of resilience against the hostile freeze. The cold isn't just a number here, it's a part of daily existence, shaping the way of life, from clothing to transportation. While the region does experience summer, it's short-lived and relatively mild, offering a brief respite before the next long, harsh winter. 2. Death Valley, California, USA. Earth's fiery furnace Death Valley's name hardly needs deciphering. It perfectly captures the severe conditions found in this desert region. It famously holds the record for the hottest air temperature ever logged on the planet at a sweltering 56.7 degrees Celsius, 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Summers in Death Valley are not just hot but brutally unforgiving, with temperatures frequently climbing above 45 degrees Celsius, 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite the inhospitable climate, life finds a way to survive in this arid landscape, with wildlife and hardy plants adapted to these extreme heat conditions. Visitors often come to marvel yet with respect for the sheer force of nature displayed in this vast, sun-baked basin. The dry heat and unrelenting sunshine push the limits of human endurance and survival. 3. Oymyakon, Russia. Where breath freezes in mid-air, another contender from the icy expanses of Siberia, Oymyakon is renowned as one of the coldest inhabited places globally. It shares Verkhoyansk's frigid record, also hitting 67.7 degrees Celsius, 89.9 degrees Fahrenheit, but its reputation stands out because of its residency. Residents here have adapted remarkably to an environment where even vehicles need to be constantly running to prevent the engines from freezing. Schools only close under conditions that would cripple any other region. The local way of life is fascinating, revolving around rugged survival skills, and using frozen rivers as viable transport routes. An existence here is an ongoing battle against the elements, shaped by snow and ice. 4. Wichita, Kansas, USA. Dancing with tornadoes located smack dab in the infamous Tornado Alley, Wichita experiences some of the wildest severe weather events in the United States. Summers are marked by intense heat, with temperatures often breaching 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. However, what sets Wichita apart is its frequent and violent thunderstorms. Tornadoes are a common occurrence, turning skies into dramatic displays of nature's fury. The looming threat of severe storms demands a community that's well prepared and always on alert. This combination of blazing heat and tornadic activity makes Wichita's weather extreme and unpredictable, a place where watching the skies is both a habit and a necessity. 5. Dalal, Ethiopia. The unyielding heat of Dalal is not just hot, it redefines hot. It is one of the hottest inhabited places on Earth, boasting average temperatures around 34.4 degrees Celsius, 94 degrees Fahrenheit, year-round. This arid and isolated region is also noted for its stunning yet brutal volcanic landscapes, including sulfuric hot springs. The environment is otherworldly, with pioneers of scientific exploration studying its strange geothermal activity. Dalal's heat is relentless, encompassing a lunar-like alien terrain that challenges human survival and settlement. Here, the Earth's crust bubbles with bright mineral deposits, as if humanity has touched the edges of another planet's ecosystem. 6. Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. Fluctuation of extremes. The capital of Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar, is city living at sub-zero temperatures. As the planet's coldest capital, winter temperatures plunge to staggering lows, often around 40 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet, contrast defines Ulaanbaatar, where summers are surprisingly warm. This duality demands a resilient populace accustomed to drastic seasonal shifts. Life thrives between these two extreme poles, with architecture and social practices adapting to the city's rhythm of unpredictable, severe weather conditions. Despite the chilling winter, Ulaanbaatar's pulse never stops, marked by vibrant cultural traditions and a population that flourishes in adversity. 7. Doha, Qatar. The searing desert city. The desert city of Doha is no stranger to the relentless sun, experiencing temperatures that frequently exceed 45 degrees Celsius, 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Adding to the sweltering heat is the stifling humidity, making Doha an endurance test for its inhabitants. It is not only the temperatures that are brutal but also the sudden onset of sandstorms, which can transform the skyline in minutes. The combination of extreme heat and unpredictable weather events results in a demanding environment requiring innovation and tenacity. Qatar's capital stands as a testament to human perseverance amidst a naturally unforgiving climate. 8. Inuvik, Canada. Where winter never ends. Nestled above the Arctic Circle, Inuvik experiences winters that are both lengthy and severe, with temperatures regularly diving below 40 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The cold is complemented by a polar night, when the sun does not rise for weeks, casting the town in prolonged darkness. Despite these challenging conditions, Inuvik prides itself on a tight-knit community spirit that thrives even in constant winter. The darkness and cold are countered with festivals and cultural traditions that honor this unique environment. Living in Inuvik is like a dance with the Arctic winds, requiring adaptation just as much as celebration of the vast, white wilderness. 9. Lima, Peru. The ghostly mists of Lima. Lima defies expectations, sitting in a desert yet experiencing extreme humidity and frequent fog. Its coastal position keeps its climate moderate, but distinct from its arid desert surroundings. Rain is scarce, turning the city's dependence on rare weather phenomena vital for water. Thick, obscuring fogs known as La Garua drift over the city, often yielding a ghostly ambiance. This unique weather pattern shapes the Peruvian capital's character, imposing stark contrasts in its usually dry backdrop. Residents incorporate this unusual climate into their daily activities, embracing the city's disguised humidity with remarkable versatility. 10. Jakarta, Indonesia. Rain-drenched and sweltering Jakarta stands as a prime example of extreme tropical weather, contending with regular intense downpours especially during monsoon seasons. The coupled phenomenon of flooding due to heavy rains with urban heat effects makes life unpredictable. Jakarta's equatorial position ensures a perpetual dance with heat and humidity that affects millions residing in the metropolis. The result is a city that must balance constant threat with incredible cultural resilience and adaptive urban planning. A rapidly expanding population meets these watery challenges head-on, blending tradition and future-focused strategies in a bid to thrive amidst extremes.